With Unlock 1.0 resuming and phases coming to fore from June 8th, the religious places, the malls and the restaurants are set to open in the national capital and perhaps across the nation. Now we are standing outside the Sai Mandir here at Lodi Road, one of the very famous Sai temples here, a place where you see thousands actually thronging on a daily basis, and there are a lot of arrangements that the temple authorities have done. Of course, for now you can see the temple is entirely shut and it will open up. It will open up from June 8th is what many believe. And for the opening up of the temple, we are seeing several measures being taken up here by the authorities. You can see such circles have been made to ensure that social distancing can be maintained here. Now, it's not only the temple but also the parallel markets that run across it. Even there we are seeing the social distancing norms actually being followed there, circles being made, people, not much people being allowed at once in such shops, and that's exactly what we will see in the days to come. But for now you can see even as the temple is shut, there's no one who is actually allowed inside the temple, but there are people, there are bhakts who are still coming to pay their obeisance to the deity, and now that is something that has been continuing ever since we saw some sort of restrictions being taken off as far as movement is concerned. You can see temple authorities, some of them are also sitting there talking with these people. They are giving out sanitizers and all. So clearly, I mean, this is something that will continue in the days to come. You see, preparations are being made. People, those who will come here, they'll have to follow all the rules that they have set up, and they are expecting that perhaps they will be able to throw open the temple from June 8th, the day when the first phase of Unlock 1.0 actually starts. Now remember, the MHA earlier said that perhaps the Unlock 1.0 will be carried out in the phases and it will be a phased exit from the lockdown. So as a result of which we will see temples actually opening up. Also the malls and restaurants will open up. Yesterday we saw the MHA coming up with detailed guidelines and SOPs for the temples, malls and restaurants that they have to follow. So clearly, I mean, as we speak, Delhi is once again gearing up to bring back things to normal, because over the past 4 lockdowns, what we saw was complete stoppage, complete restrictions on movement and opening up of such places. But now with a phased exit plan coming in of the government of India for the Delhiites and perhaps the nation, we will see major shops, in fact all of them, and restaurants, temples and all the religious places actually opening up. You can see as we speak, people like him are coming now. Right from the morning, people are thronging the temple. It's not, of course, the usual crowd, the usual scene that we see outside the Lodi Road temple here, because remember, it's a very famous temple here, and it of course runs parallel with one of the housing societies that is there across the road. So clearly, I mean, looking at the density of this place, looking at the area here, the people here say that not many people will be allowed to visit the temple at the same time. But yes, temples will be opened, and a lot of people are really hopeful that they will be once again given a permission to visit the temple and pay respects to the deity here at the Lodi Road Sai temple. With Sachin Rawat and Delhi, Prashant Kumar for Times Now.